Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about few of the more CSA commonly asked questions. We will navigate into the instance to validate some of the answers. So let's get started. How is a group defined in ServiceNow? Sys underscore user underscore group underscore type or sys underscore user underscore group. So let's type sys underscore user underscore group underscore type dot list. So this is group type and not the user group. This underscore user underscore group dot list. So these are your groups. So you can see this is your answer. A group is one record stored in the group sys underscore user underscore group table. Next question. What is a role in ServiceNow? A role is one record in the record sys underscore user underscore role table or user underscore sys underscore role table. Let's type user underscore role underscore dot list. There is nothing. Sys underscore user underscore role list. Here you go. So your roles table is sys underscore user underscore role. So this is your answer. Next question. Which one of the following is not a type of visual taskboard? Let's navigate to visual taskboard. Here you can see guided board, freeform board, and data driven. So data driven is your flexible board. So we have flexible board, freeform board, and guided board in the visual task board. Next question. Which core table in the ServiceNow platform provides a series of standard fields used on each of the tables that extend it, such as incident and problem tables? So this is our tables table. Let's search for incident. So incident is extended from task table. You can see here. Let's search for problem. Problem is also extended from the task table. So your answer is task table. Let's move to next question. When creating a global custom table named ABC, which is the table name that is automatically assigned by the platform? So you can see I've created a table ABC and the name that is given to it is x underscore something underscore flow underscore ABC. So in this question, the question should actually be, if you add a field, what will be the label name created and not the table? And since the answer does not contain anything related to x underscore number underscore flow underscore the name of the table, but it contains u underscore ABC, which happens when we create a field, custom field name. So we will select u underscore ABC in this answer. So this question is very important. The explanation is also very important to understand so that you're not confused. This should be global custom field. And when you create any field, any custom field, The platform will name it, label it as you underscore the field name. Next question. Your customer would like to create a new template to notify users who are affected by network outages at their site. Which module would you use to create a new notification? Let's type notifications. You can see under system notification, email, and then notification. So system notification, email notifications, we click create a new notification. Next question. On the reports page, what sections allow you to see which reports are visible to different audiences? Let us navigate to reports, view and run. And here you see there are 4 tabs: My Reports, Group, Global, and All. There are 4 tabs, which is My Reports, Group, Global, and All. And this is what your question was. What are the sections that allow you to see reports visible to different audiences? So Group, My Reports, Global, and All. Next question. On a business rule, the when setting determines at what point the rule executes. What are the options for specifying that timing? Let's go to business rules under system definition. And here you can see when to run gives you 4 options: before, after, async, and display. Next question. When impersonating a user for testing purposes, what is the best way to return to the instance? Logged in with your user account. So, suppose I am impersonating able tutor. You can see able tutor is here. So if you want to go back, you will have to end impersonation. So with end impersonation, you can come back to your own logged in profile. There is no use of logging in, logging out. So this is your answer. The best way to return to your instance is end impersonation. Next question. On a filter condition, which component is always a choice list? So here we are in the incident table, and in the filter you can see is your choice list, the operator. You can also say this is also a choice list here when we are selecting the fields, but this is not in our option, in our answer option. Here they have only mentioned operator, operation, matching criteria, filter criteria, and the answer will be your operator is a choice field. This one, what is the most common role that has access to almost all platform feature, function, and data? Security admin, sysadmin, admin, system administrator, base admin. And here you see it's system administrator. We call it admin. So this is your answer and not anyone else. Next question. Which tool graphically displays an infrastructure view of CI and its relationship? Let's go to any CI. So I'm picking suppose Linux. Scroll down. This is your dependency view icon. You should also know this icon. So sometimes they give the picture and ask you, what does this icon mean? It is dependency view. Click on this. And here you see the infrastructure view of your configuration item. So this server is in this way connected to other server and client services. So which tool graphically displays dependency view? So no confusion about dependency map or dependency view. We have just seen that this is called dependency view, not map. What are the main components of the form design interface? Suppose this is the form, configure, form design, page header, field navigator, and form layout. These are the three things. Next question. What are the three key tables in an enterprise CMDB? CMDB, CMDB underscore rel underscore CI, and CMDB underscore CI. This is your answer. Let's check. Let's type CMDB dot list. This is your base configuration item table. CMDB underscore rel underscore ci dot list. Here you go. This is your relationship table. Last one, CMDB underscore ci dot list. And this is your configuration item table. Next question. On what part of the ServiceNow instance would you find option to impersonate user? Banner. In the banner, you find the option to impersonate user when you click on the icon where your profile is given. So next question, what system property needs to be set to true to activate push notifications for better assessment taking experience on the Now mobile app? Answer is glide.sg.universal underscore links. Let's see if something like that exists. Let's go to sys underscore properties dot list table. Search for this. Yes. So glide SG universal link enabled. If you enable it, so this is for the mobile feature. This is the universal link for feature in mobile. And our question was related to mobile app. Next question. When working on a form, what is the difference between insert and update operations? So this is an open form. If you click on save, you will remain on this form. If you click on insert, it will exit the form. If you update any form, click on update, it will also save and exit the form. So the answer is insert creates new record and update saves changes. Both exit the form. So they will both exit the form. So remain on the form will not be your answer. And the last one, insert, save, changes, and remains on the form. Again, this is not the answer. Both will exit the form. Next question. Which icon would you double click to expand and collapse the list of all applications and module? Very simple question with very complicated options. So let me show you what it is asking and what is the answer. Answer is application. You can see why. Let's go and see. So here, if you double click on filter, nothing will happen. If you double click on stars, nothing will happen. But when you click on the application, any application, suppose incident application, you click on any application, the double click will help you expand and collapse. Let me show you here. So expand and collapse. So this is what this question meant, and this is why the answer is application. Next question. After finishing your work on high security settings, what do you do to return to normal admin security levels? So how do you go to do any high security level task? You click on elevate role. This will give you access to perform high security settings. And now if you want to come back, the only way will be to log out. See, it is giving you no options to come back. So you will have to log out and then log in. So we have to log back in. Next question. What type of field allows you to look up values from one table to other table? So you have to be very cautious in this type of question. It is asking about the type of field and not how you do it. So how you do it, dot working helps you. This is the process. Dot working is a process. But it is asking you which type of field will allow you to look for the value, to allow you to actually perform the dot working. So the answer is reference table and not the dot work. So suppose this is my form and I want email ID of the caller. So I'll just go to form layout. Okay, here I wanted caller's email ID. So I'll just click here. This is a reference field expansion available. Click on caller, email, and send. The reference field allows me to go into the list of the field that that particular table has, and accordingly you can select the field that you want. And you can see here is your email. So once you select your caller, automatically your email will pop up, because reference field can dot work and get the details from other table. Next question. Which module would you use to customize your instance's banner image, text, and colors? System properties, basic configuration, UI 16. Let's go and see. Basic configuration, UI 16. Here you see banner image, text on the banner, and the color. All these three can be checked from or can be changed from basic configuration UI 16 module under the system properties. This is your answer. So just to give you an idea of when dot walking answer comes into picture. So this is a question: what ServiceNow feature allows you to include data from secondary related table on a report? Answer is dot working. We have just used dot working in one of the form in previous question, so I will not navigate again, but this is a feature. Okay, and that question was about the type of field that allows you to get data from the other table. So type of field will be reference field, and feature that allows you to do that is dot working. Hope this is clear now. So this is all about this video. In the next video, we will see you with few more questions and some more navigations on the instance to clarify and validate the answers of those questions. Thank you for watching. All the best. You can also get the PDF link in the description below.